This is a 2004 Honda Accord. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults and a 3.0-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a rear window defroster, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a 4-wheel independent suspension, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, traction control, a keyless entry system, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Not to mention that this Honda qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Acura of Baton Rouge is located at 13550 Airline Highway in Baton Rouge. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.